Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Today we're going to do the unboxing from this nice, beautiful company from Glorious PC Gaming Race. Unfortunately, they made a mistake, so we're just going to have to wait to see what happens. We're supposed to get another keyboard and the Aurora keys as well. But the good news is, I can say is, we got the switches that we want. These are Kailh switches. The copper speed are mine. The silver speeds are my brother's. And pretty much kind of sucks that we don't have the second batch of this, because I really wanted one myself. But unfortunately, I understand where they're coming from. They probably have a lot of orders and they cannot keep focus on orders, and maybe that's the best stuff. Who knows? But what can I do? So let's unbox this. First things first, we're just going to unbox these two for last. We just want to unbox the keyboard. So let's get right to it. So of course, the keyboard right here is a fully modular keyboard. What does that mean? That if you can get from their website only, if you can get the MX switches or the Kailh switches, it would be nice to have the optical switch. That would be really, really awesome, because that's been one of my favorite switches. But honestly, I do like the Kailh as well. So, you know, I always have a fallback plan of, if I don't have this switch, then I can fall back to this switch. Okay, let me stop getting off the topic over here and get to the real deal about this. So, of course, this is the full-size keyboard. This is a black aluminum boxing. You can use any type of MX switch or Kailh switch. And also, it has a 104 key layout. And also, it is backlit RGB. Can't go wrong there. Now, let's open this thing up. I do want to let you guys know ahead of time. I don't want to make you guys like surprised. This is, again, the full-size keyboard, which the cable you cannot disconnect and reconnect. So if something happens to that cable, you cannot replace it. You basically have to replace the whole keyboard. Now, you want something like that has that feature, then you're going to have to go with a compact version of the Glorious or the 10 keyless version as well. So let's open this thing up. Now, first things first, I saw something over here. Comes with extra keys. Comes with another... basically, this is to help you to install the Kailh switches or the MX switches as well. At the bottom of the keyboard as well, just to let you guys know. Look how nice and beautiful the finish is. And also have another accessory tool to help you to remove the keycaps as well. So this is how it looks. Also, a nice braided cable. It has the nice Velcro strap, so you can take it on the go, and also comes with this cover to protect the USB as well on the go, which that is nice. I like that already. Also, since I dropped something at the floor for sure, it comes with a user guide and instruction guide, which I'm gonna put that to the side. Comes with a user guide, instruction guide, and of course advertising as fine, showing that they do sell other products as well. And hold up, let me pick this thing up from the floor that I dropped. And of course, you got another two keys right there. Has a nice little Glorious logo right there as well. So that is nice. So let's get this out of the way. Oh, it also comes with Velcro straps. Now the keys are really the ones I'm really excited with. I really, really like this a lot. So of course, again, these are the silver speed. These are my blood switches. And of course, are the speed coppers. Let's open up mine first. Wow. Also, it comes with a pair of tweezers to help you to install the keys into the keyboard. Also remove them as well, which is nice. Ooh, I'm excited. So I'm going to take one of these out. Ooh, I love the sound of this. I'm going to put it close to the mic. Oh, wow. Oh, I'm loving this already. I'm loving this already. I am happy right now. So I'm gonna put this back in, and we're gonna take out the silver switches from this box. Boom, boom. I have to cut myself. And let's check out. Ooh, the silver ones. These things looks beautiful. Also, same thing, comes with the tweezers to help you to install it on your keys. Be very, very careful with this, of course. I am definitely going to take my time putting this thing together. Oh, okay. It's like you don't hear no... Oh, wow, this thing goes right through. Ooh, the silver sounds all right. I don't like the silvers. I kind of like the browns better, to be honest. I do like the browns better. I'm sorry to say that. I like to hear that sound, that clicky sound. I really do. I'm sorry, silvers, but thank God I didn't work with you guys. So let's unbox the last thing. Oh, God. Oh, why they screw up the order? So the last thing is, this is the Aurora mechanical keycaps. So again, they come with different colors as well. The Aurora keycaps, which I'll show you here right now. I know it's over here. Nope, this is... Oh, there it goes. So this is the Aurora keycap version. As you see right here, it's black at the top and a little bit kind of clear-ish. It's not like completely clear, but when you have RGB light up on it, it's going to be way much brighter. Also, they come with black and they also come with white. And I forgot to mention as well, again, I'm gonna check, I'm gonna double check, make sure, but I do believe they do come with a white 10 keyless version as well. Same thing, you know, the white full-size keyboard, 10 keyless and compact, and also sells the keys. They sell them, again, the Aurora, the black, and the white as well, so you can go nuts, which is awesome. It just kind of sucks. We don't have a secondary keyboard as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. As always, comment, subscribe. Please be safe. Have a wonderful Wednesday as always. Take care. Goodbye.